Earlier today, Randy asked me, could he have something spicy? And I haven't cooked this in a really long time. It's called spicy peanut chicken. Sorry. And we have, it's just been a really long time. But he loves peanut butter. I mean, he'll just sit and eat it, or eat it with celery, or put it on crack. He loves peanut butter. So when I said we were going to have this spicy peanut chicken, he was really happy. Okay, this is very, very inexpensive. I mean, you're talking chicken legs and thighs, some tomato, and peanut butter, okay? It is just easy to put together, very minimal ingredients, and they're really going to kind of shock you when you see what they are. But I'm Tammy at All About Living, and that's what we do here on our channel, is try to show you how to eat cheap, out of your pantry, and have it taste really good. Y'all know this is going to be good. Even though these ingredients sound like they will not go together, but they do. They do. The first thing you're going to do is make a little rub with some cinnamon and some ground cumin. And we're going to do that in this little bowl in a second. You're going to need some pepper, some salt, some peanut butter, some cilantro. Fresh is best, but I don't have any fresh cilantro, so next best thing. And a 28-ounce can of diced or plum tomatoes, either one is fine, and a little bit of red pepper. That's it, and your chicken. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay, you're going to need about a teaspoon of cumin. That looks about like a teaspoon to me. And a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're just going to kind of go like that. And we're going to mix that up. This little spoon that I forgot to get out. And we're just going to mix that like that. And then we're going to sprinkle it on our chicken. Okay. And then we're just going to sprinkle that and rub it in to our chicken on both sides. And a little goes a long way. And I'm sure you notice this chicken is skinless. You do need to take the skin off. Good. Number 2. Nice and rubbed. Number 3. Now if you tried to make more than, 3, then you probably wouldn't need to make some additional. But this is going to be just right. Okay, we're going to get this pan on and get it hot. And we need a medium-high flame. About like that. And we're going to get that pan nice and hot. Okay, now we're going to rough cut this garlic. Just a little bit. And we're just going to rough chop it because I'm fixing to put it in an emulsion blender, and that will finish it up. So, I have my little bowl here, and I'm going to drop my garlic in there. I'm going to put just a little bit of these red pepper flakes, maybe like an 1/8 to a 1/4. However you like your heat. Okay, and we're going to get this can open. And we're going to pour all the juice into the bowl. Get as much as you can. Okay, and then you're going to need 1/4 of a cup of peanut butter. Get that peanut butter. And I'm going to add like a teaspoon and a half of cilantro. We're not that crazy about cilantro. If you like it, great. Put it to it. But for us, it's not that important. Now we're going to just drop this emulsion blender right down in there and give that a good blend. And that looks really smooth to me, so we're going to call that good. Okay, and we're going to add a couple of tablespoons to our hot pan. There we go. And we are going to add that chicken just like it is. Okay, and y'all can hear that sizzle. That's what we want. And you're going to cook it about 5 minutes on each side and get it good and brown. Okay, now while we're waiting on that one side to brown, I'm going to go ahead and dice up this onion and make it pretty fine. We want it pretty fine. So I'm going to cut that side again. Oops. Okay, we're going to get this flipped now. Nice and brown. Let's pull this one out, put this one in just a little bit. Okay, now another 5 minutes. Okay, I flipped this one when the camera wasn't looking, but it needs to brown a little bit more on this side, so I flipped it. These are looking really good, so I'm going to leave them right where they are. And now I'm going to add just a tad more oil to my pan, and I'm going to put my onions in. Let's get a little oil in there, just a little. Alright. Randy has a special way of putting his onions in. If you saw in his home fries, eggs, and onions, that I have not perfected that. So, in go my onions. We're going to get this stirred up now. Get those onions moved around just a little bit so the ones on top will brown. Looking good, smelling good. Okay, y'all can see why Randy really likes this dish. You know, we both love onions. And we're going to mix onions with peanut butter and chicken, tomatoes. Awesome. Okay, now with as little juice of this juice as possible, we're going to put those tomatoes in here all over. And we're going to pour that as evenly as we can all the way around. I'm going to make sure I get it all. We're going to turn it down to a simmer, down to low. We're going to put a lid on it. And we'll check in about 15 to 20 minutes and see how our chicken is. Okay, we're going to test this for done. It's been about 15 minutes. And you know, we cook 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on another, 5 minutes for the onions. So that was 15 minutes. Plus another 15 is 30. And yes, I think we are done. Yes, we are. Okay. Dinner is done.